Dr.M. Manikandan is an Indian politician and a member of the AIADMK from the state of Tamil Nadu. Manikandan is a first-term member of the 15th Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. He was elected from Ramanathapuram constituency of Ramanathapuram District. In June 2016, Manikandan was inducted into the Jayalalitha-led Government of Tamil Nadu as a state minister with independent charge. Manikandan holds the Information Technology Department portfolio in the Government of Tamil Nadu. At age 39, Manikandan is the second youngest minister to be sworn into the Tamil Nadu Cabinet.On 7 August 2019. He was relieved from his post after his controversial speech about another minister, Mr Udumalai Radhakrishnan. Manikandan was born to Thiru S. Murugasan in Ramanathapuram in Tamil Nadu. He received his bachelor's degree in medicine from the Annamalai University. He then obtained master's in surgery from Sri Ramachandra Medical College, Tamil Nadu, India. He also has accomplished fellowship of Indian Association of Gastrointestinal Endosurgeons. He worked as an assistant professor of surgery in 1st Surgical Unit in Madurai Medical College, where he was known for his strict conduct and discipline. Dr. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.